Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. The Sri Puranmal Srinivaras Dhoka Jain School serves as the gateway to this education, offering students the tools they need to open doors to a bright future. It's within the walls of school that minds are enriched, dreams are nurtured, and the journey towards personal and societal progress begins. The Sri Puranmal Srinivaras Dhoka Jain School in Yadgir is known for its commitment to provide quality education. It offers a comprehensive curriculum and strives to nurture holistic development among its students. Let us now hear what our students and parents speak about our school.
Mother of Bhumika is studying in class 10th. And I always really wait to see the sheet of principal ma'am because each words are like working magical on the students and it gives motivation. I got back to my school memories whenever I watch ma'am's videos. She is very inspiring to us. In these 4 years, my child has become, before she was just a silent girl. She used to not open up with anybody, but now she has become a confident girl and ready on her own. She is ready to set her life ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I am Bhumika, studying in class 10 of this school. They'll support you all in every way. They will not only your syllabus, but also they'll develop your character. That's very important. Don't worry about your language, about your subjects. Teachers will take care of it. And remember, you'll also have to work with the teachers because they are putting their efforts. We had mentor-mentee classes, we had extra classes going on. We came early in the morning. We had classes till 5 o'clock. Teachers will do everything for you guys. You all just need to cope up with the teachers. And principal ma'am, thanks a lot. Ma'am will support you in every way. She was there for every time I needed help. Even in the future, I will seek guidance. Thanks to the management, we got opportunities everywhere. We went to district level competitions, state level competitions, everywhere like dance, singing. From there, we participated in science exhibitions as well. So we were everywhere, like including studies. We were there in culture and sports also. That's what I like about the school. Like they don't only focus on the studies, but also go through the culture and sports also. Like we had Kala Coach competitions, annual sports meet competitions and all that.
I'm Kruti from class 10. Already mentioned I'm not taking stress in my board exams because I already completed my studies because in preparatory we have already studied and this studies in preparatory and revision test like in November we started our preparatory. From March we were starting our preparatory in November and from November to till January 1 we completed our revision test and from January we did our pre-boards. 2 pre-boards were done and pre-boards really helped us because they taught how to write and how to fill our OMA sheets in our board examinations.
ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ನಂತರ ಅವ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಟೈಮ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಒನ್ ಅವರ್ 1.5 ಅವರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕುಂತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಕುಂತು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೆಂಟರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು 5 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು.
ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಟೀಚರ್ಸಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಈ ಥರ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ತುಂಬ್ತೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಟೀಚರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಸು ಟೀಚರು, ನಾವು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರೋದು. ಅದು ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಕೂಡ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ 10th ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಕೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮಾನಕಗಳ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರಲಾರ್ದೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ತಿದ್ದುವುದು ಕೆಲಸ ನಮ್ಮದು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
I am student of class 10. Class 10 has changed life of the students. Students were serious about their academics in class 10. Especially thanks Principal Ma'am for conducting schools even Sundays or in holidays and extra classes. After the school hours, the concept of mentors and mentoring worked the best, and teachers were working on the weaknesses of the students and improving their academics, and parallelly students were responding positively.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ನಾಗನಗೌಡ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಾದ ನಂದೀಶ್ ಇವರು ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಣ್ಮಲ್ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಕ್ರಾಜ್ ಡೋಕಾ ಜೈನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಅವನ 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಂಡು 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, LKG UKG ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡಿಂದಲೂ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಇವನ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡೋಕಾ ಜೈನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಗುವಿಗೂ ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬರೆದೇ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಬರೆಯದೇ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
Good morning, ma'am. I am parent mother of Neha Sadaku, student of 3rd standard A section. I would like to thank all the teachers of 3rd standard for giving such fine education and grooming my daughter.
Patil from class 6 here to introduce my school. My school name is Shri Puranmal Shrinikraj Dhoka Jain School. Teachers are from different state of India. I have joined in this school from LKG and finished 6th and moving to 7th. I have improved much in this school because of teachers' efforts, and I have built my confidence because of participating in programs. I love the atmosphere of my school. I love my school. Our school is best.
My name is Lakshmi Kulkarni. I am from class 6th B, here to speak few lines about my school. My school is the best place where I always want to visit. My school provides me with education apart from my physical and social development. The clean and positive atmosphere of our school inspires us to study. My school has a quiet and decent infrastructure and very genius staff.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಶ್ರೀ ಪೂರ್ಣಮಾಲ್ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಕ್ರಾಜ್ ಡೋಕಾ ಜೈನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವರ್ಗದವರಿಗೆ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವರ್ಗದವರು, ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲಕರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹಾಯ ಮತ್ತು ಏಳಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
The students are absent, the teachers teach the topics again for them. Activities are also good in the school. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Pujita, student of Shri Puranmal Shrinikraj Dhoka Jain School. Today I am here to speak few lines about my school, which I liked as a student. The teachers in our school are well educated. They teach us very well and they clarify all our doubts. If physical education in our school is too good, like karate, games, yoga, etc. There is music and arts also present in our school. Our principal mom is so friendly. She is too good. Our principal mom teaches us about the society, about the discipline and how to be well mannered. Our principal mom gives equal opportunity to all the students.
PS ಡೋಕಾ ಜೈನ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯ ವೃಂದದವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನಾನು ಮೃದನ್ ರವರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗನು 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿ, 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿ, 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡ ವಿಷಯಗಳೇನೆಂದರೆ, ತಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಪಾಠ ಬೋಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಲಿಕೆಯೂ ಸಹಿತ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿದೆ. ಕಲಿಕಾ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಪಾಠ ಬೋಧನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಕೆರಳಿಸಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯ ಬೋಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ನನ್ನ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
नमस्कार जी, मैं भागीरथ मीना, रेलवे स्टेशन अधीक्षक यादगिरी. मेरा बेटा मयंक कुमार मीना जो कक्षा 5वीं का छात्र है, वह श्री पूर्णमल श्रेणिकराज ढोका विद्यालय यादगिरी में पढ़ाई कर रहा है. मेरा बेटा LKG से लेके कक्षा 5वीं तक इसी स्कूल में पढ़ाई कर रहा है. मेरे बेटे मयंक कुमार मीना में जो छात्र के रूप में सद्गुणों का विकास हुआ है, उसमें श्री PhD जैन स्कूल के समस्त अध्यापिकाओं का विशेष योगदान रहा है.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಬಿಂದು ಮಾಧವರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಭೀಮೇಶ್ವರಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನು 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧೋಕಾ ಜೈನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ 1 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ. ಅವನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಧಾರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾ ಯಾದಗಿರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧೋಕಾ ಜೈನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಡೆಸುವಂತಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾದವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಗುರುಗಳು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ.
ನಾನು ಎಂ ಶ್ರೀನಿಧಿ ಅವರಮ್ಮ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಧೋಕಾ ಜೈನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಕನ್ನಡ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರಗಳಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ, ಓದೋದನ್ನಾಗಲಿ, ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಗ್ರಾಮರ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರು, ಫೋನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸು, ವರ್ಬ್ಸು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕರ್ಸಿವ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗು, ರೀಡಿಂಗು, ರೈಟಿಂಗು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಓದಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಚಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ವೃಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನಾನು ಮೈತ್ರಿ ಬಡಿಗೇರ್ ಎಂಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ತಂದೆಯಾದ ಮಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಬಡಿಗೇರ್ ಅರ್ಕೆರಬ್ಬಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದಂದರೆ, ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪಾತ್ರ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಬೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
Namaste to everyone. I am parent of Abhin 1st standard A section and Anvi 5th standard A section. I am very much pleased with the education that my children are receiving at Sri Puranmal Dhoka Jain School Yadgir. I am satisfied with their performance and very much satisfied that they are studying at the right school. I really admire the patience, the dedication and the passion of these teachers to work with the children, and I am impressed with the co-curricular activities that was organized this year.
Yes, Dhoka Jain School is the best ever school we have ever seen, and we are experienced. His handwriting, his reading skills, everything has changed than before.
I am the mother of Shubham Kumar, class 5th A. I am very glad to share my so far experience about the school. The building of school is very beautiful and spacious. There is a big playground in the school. Teachers used to teach so many new things every day.
ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಚಿನ್ಮಯಿ ಧೋಕಾ ಜೈನ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿ B ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡುವುದರಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಯಿತು. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ವಿಶಾಲವಾದ ಮೈದಾನವಿದೆ ಆಟವಾಡಲು. ಓದುವುದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಟವನ್ನು ಆಡಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಯೋಗ, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್, ಕರಾಟೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡುವುದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುವುದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹುಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರಣ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಹೇಳುವುದರಿಂದ.
Hi, I am Manisha, mother of Satvik Obrashetty. He is studying UKG in the school. So about this school, what I like to say is the best decision I have ever taken. Obviously, the teachers are very supportive and take care of them as their own child. The feedback of our child is we are getting day to day, and I can see lot of improvement in him. So the eating habits have been improved. The public speaking, he like to speak in English, and also in school there are lot of curricular activities such as sports day and lots of competitions which encourage them children for their physical fitness. And with your guidance and support, our child has developed into a confident and capable one.
he is picking up things very much happy to see his progression and really happy and full satisfied about your Purnimal Srinikaraj Doka Jain School. And thank you for being such a important part of our child development.
Hi, hello, this is Sridevi Patil, mother of Sanidhya Patil. My daughter is studying LKG in PS Doka Jain School. The PS Doka Jain School is one of the best school in our district Yadgir. It has a very good study environment. The teacher-child relationship is very good. The teachers are very careful about the child conduct and learning. They are efficient and sympathetic. The headmistress is a strict and disciplinarian person, but also a kind-hearted person also. I respect all the teachers. I am proud of this school. Thank you.
नमस्कार, रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल मैम एंड रिस्पेक्टेड मैम, मैं कक्षा LKG में पढ़ने वाली श्रेणिका उनकी माँ हूँ। मेरी बच्ची जब से स्कूल ज्वाइन हुई तब से बहुत ही खुश है और बहुत ही एक्टिव रहती है वो डेली।
Pritam father, LKG PS Doka Jain School, Yadgiri. The school is a good and study our child is improved. I am thankful for teachers and the principal of the school giving amazing education. I am fully satisfied and my son has improved. He has become a more hard work. It has been an extremely nice journey and we are happy with the teachers and staff. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಶ್ರೀ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಕರಾಜ್ ದೋಕಾ ಜೈನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಯಾದಗಿರಿ. ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ LKG B. ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಕತ್ತಾನ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೊರತೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆದಂತ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Myself Swati Tiwari. My daughter Khushi Tiwari studying in Sri PS Doka Jain School. I would like to share my experience regarding school. We are very satisfied with the school. School has been successful in striking an appropriate balance between academic and co-curricular activities. School is nicely planning and organizing academic programs. I am very grateful to all teachers, coordinators and principal for grooming my child very well. Her communication and social skills have enhanced a lot due range of classroom activities.
Anna of class 8 here to share my experience with all the teachers and my school. My school provides a balanced education and it helps me in improving physically and mentally. Apart from academics, different skills are taught in my school. It includes sports skill, communication skill, time management and so on. My school is an important role in my life. Sri Purnimal Srinikaraj Doka Jain School is one of the best school in Yadgir.
As I am sister of Sahana, want to share about some experience how she is improving in this Doka CBSE school, because firstly she was got admission in state syllabus. Suddenly we made her to get admission in this CBSE school. Firstly she was feeling a bit difficult to adjust for this syllabus, CBSE syllabus. Later the way the teachers of Doka school cooperated with her made her easy to understand the teaching of the teachers, the way teach in this Doka school. So I kindly thank all the teachers.
Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika. I am from class 9 studying in Sri Purnimal Srinikaraj Doka Jain School, Yadgir. Since LKG I am studying in the school. It has been since 11 to 12 years maybe. I have seen lots of improvements and lots of changes in my school and also in my academics and also in other activities like cultural and also in sports. Our school had provided equal opportunities.
ಈ ಒಂದು 2-3 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಬಂದಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲಕರು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ತುಂಬ ಕಾಳಜಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆ ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಯ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ನಿವಾಸಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಜನರಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಲಿಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
I am Mrs. Kalyani Patil, mother of Sakshi Patil, studying in class 9. Shri P.S.D. Jain School is a great place that imparts excellent academic knowledge to its students. It also helps in the overall development of the child. Newly enrolled students adjust quickly due to the child-centered environment provided by the faculty. I like to express my gratitude to the principal, Ms. Deepika Reddy ma'am, for updating students with current affairs during the assembly every day. This not only inspires children academically but also socially and morally.
Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Patil and I've just completed my class 9 in Shri Puranmal Shrinikraj Doka Jain School. After spending 7 years in this school, I can confidently say that this school is a perfect school not only for academics but also for overall development. Our principal ma'am has always encouraged us to participate in inter-school competitions as well as competitions held in our school so that we can overcome our stage.
I am Ritvik of class 6th A, studying in Shri Purnamal Shrinikraj Doka Jain School. My school had a complete package that taught me self-discipline in my life. All my staff are educated, polite and experienced. Our teachers not only teach us but also prepare us for many competitions. Every year my school wins many competitions. We also learn life skills, discipline, hard work and punctuality are some of them. During sports classes we learn teamwork and work together to win.
From class 7 studying in Shri Purnamal Shrinikraj Doka Jain School at Gir. I will proudly be saying that my school with exceptional teaching faculty and most supportive management, they have put in tremendous efforts in creating a strongest foundation for our future.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಿವೇದಿತಾ ಸ್ಥಾವರಮಠ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ್ ದೋಕಜನ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯನ್ನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಹದ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ, ಯೋಗ, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಸಹ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕೆಂದರೆ ಯಾದಗಿರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳೆಯ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಶಾಲೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮಕ್ಕಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಂತೆ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕೆಂದು ನನ್ನ ಆಸೆ.
Good afternoon. I am the mother of Vinayak Ambigar. I am expressed about his development and growth, how he learned in your school. PS Doka is the best school and best teaching of your class. Always my son is making so easily understand your all the problems and classes.
Chandana's mother, Doka school teaching is very well. ఆ స్కూల్లో టీచింగ్ చాలా బాగా చెప్తారు. అలానే మేము పీటీఎం మీటింగ్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ప్రిన్సిపల్ మ్యామ్ మరియు టీచర్ చాలా రెస్పాన్స్ అవుతారు మేము అడిగే క్వశ్చన్స్కి. అలానే మాకు చాలా రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇస్తారు. అలానే టీచింగ్ కాకుండా వేరే యాక్టివిటీస్ కూడా చాలా ప్రోత్సహిస్తారు ప్రిన్సిపల్ మ్యామ్. అలా ఎలా అంటే కరాటే, సింగింగ్, డ్యాన్సింగ్ అలాంటి వాటిలో చాలా పిల్లల్ని చాలా ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ చేస్తారు. అలానే సమ్మర్ వీకెండ్స్లో ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులు తీసుకొని పిల్లలకు చాలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు. టీచింగ్ చాలా బాగా చెప్తారు. దోకా స్కూల్లో టీచర్స్, ప్రిన్సిపల్ స్టూడెంట్స్తో చాలా ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉంటారు. అలాగే దోకా స్కూల్లో చాలా నీట్నెస్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తారు. చాలా నీట్గా ఉంటుంది స్కూలు. అలాగే పిల్లలతో చాలా ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉంటారు. మేనేజ్మెంట్ వాళ్ళు చాలా రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇస్తారు మాకు. దోకా స్కూల్ పిల్లలు చాలా డిసిప్లిన్.
My name is Chandana. I am studying in class 8. Our school not only focuses on studies but also in other activities, sports, functions, programs, cultural activities, etc. so that students can make some memories with their friends, teachers and principal. Our principal ma'am is so helpful and grateful towards the students. Our principal ma'am encourages the students to participate in new activities. Our teachers are so friendly natured and help the students to learn the lessons quickly by their new methods and techniques.
Hello, I am the mother of Savannah. Thank you for your love, care and dedication that you all put to teach my child. She improved in her studies and changed her handwriting.
Hello everyone, I am Sana. I study in class 7th. I am from Sri Purma Sri Raj Doka School. Let me tell me about my school. Schools are considered as heaven on earth and it is very hard to imagine the world without school. I consider my school as my second home. Apart from education, our school provides physical and social development. The clean and positive atmosphere of our school inspires us to study. Schools are the place where we get to make new friends, learn new things. Every school is special in its own way. The same is with my school as well. We have various activities like sports, karate, mass drill, computer science, club, where art and music teachers takes the class, and scout and guides. Both our teaching and non-teaching facilities are quite friendly. They have come from different parts of India like Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Odisha, Kerala. They are qualified and well experienced. Their teaching style is quite unique. Oh, let's not forget about our karate, sports and music teacher. They are special in their own ways.
I am the parent of Priyanka. She is studying in 9th standard. The school provides very good education also, and the school has a large playground which is very convenient for the all students. The school has excellent teachers and principal madam. All the staff of this school are working hard for development of this school.
Good morning. I am Priyanka and I am studying in 9th class in Sri PS3 Jain School, Yadgir. This year I am moving to 10th class. Since LKG I am studying here. I have completed 11 years in this school. I am so happy to say that the facilities of our school are very good. The teachers and principal ma'am are giving us good quality of education in all the subjects as well as the other knowledge. Our school will ensure to take parts in inter-school competitions. With the learning of new things, our school will conduct many competitions to get rid of stage fear.
From class 8, each one of them is dedicated and hardworking. I love the atmosphere of my school, which begins with prayer and ends with meditation every single day. We have teachers from different corners of India who teach us aiming to bring out the best of us.
I am mother of Tasmia Kashraf. She is studying in Sri Purnimal Dhoka Jain School Yadgir, which is a very good school because my child has understood the importance of competition, which is very important in studies nowadays. She has reached the step of success in her studies. She is becoming very good in every sector of her studies.
Hello everyone, my name is Tasmia Kashyap. I am studying in class 7, Shri Puranma Sri Raj Doka Jain School, Yadgir. My school is a place where growth and development of children goes equally because our teachers are more dynamic. They teach us curricular and also co-curricular activities. They bind us in different threads of excellence. Sports are held in our schools. Teachers makes us so perfect that we definitely become successful in our life. I am so lucky to have in this school as a student.
Hello everyone, I am Nishika from class 7th. I am studying in Sri Purnimal Sri Raj Doka Jain School, Yadgir. I have been studying in this school since 9 years. From LKG to till now, I had great teachers. The teachers, principal and the management had encouraged us to give our best in studies, sports and other cultural activities.